Boom, tactical protection review video of the day. My man walks in, getting ready to pay.
Oh my God! There's a hole in my leg. I got shot!
Yeah, I was pretty clear on that.
Oh shit!
And there it is. Hold on, rewind that a little bit. You guys gotta hear this. Wait for it, rewind it a little bit. Oh! He accidentally discharges a round into the deck. No one saw it. He got lucky, and he gets to sit there and be like, I don't know what happened. Oh my gosh, I gotta give it to him though, because he sells this thing better than anyone I know. I swear if it was anyone else, they wouldn't have been able to sell this.
Smells like they're from a burning.
Anyways, here's the point, guys. If you guys are carrying firearms nowadays, more and more people are buying firearms, right? So the probability for accidents increase. However, more active shooters are stopped by firearms now than ever before, as the world becomes a safer and safer place, because more good people are getting armed. If you don't have one, get one. Don't worry about as much which one you get. Glocks are amazing. Certain major brands are amazing, but the point is, get good training. And it matters way less the firearm you get as much as it does the training. This is a result of bad training, of someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Carrying a firearm in your pocket without anything protecting your trigger guard is a mistake that you should know better than to make, because when you reach in your pocket to grab something, you might just pull the trigger. Nylon holsters, absolute no-go. Get something that clear, right? Clear, that actually can protect your trigger guard. There's no way I'm going to pull the trigger with this, right? Because it's protected. Get something that can protect your trigger guard, protect yourself, protect your family, protect your life. And if you ever need it, it's going to be like a parachute, right? When you need a parachute, all you need is a parachute. But it's also a lethal weapon. Respect it as it's a lethal weapon. Get the training that will make you formidable with that lethal weapon. And let's continue to make this world a safer place by helping good people to become more willing, capable, and prepared. Hit the link in my bio. Watch the other 100 plus tactical protection reviews. Come train with us at the Protector Symposium, at the League, and let's make this world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Give him props for selling it, but we gotta do better than this. Out.